Will it be bail or more jail time for Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan? Because ahead of hearing, expected just in a short while, SRK's manager Pooja Dadlani and bodyguard Ravi Singh have reached Mumbai Sessions Court. Judge V.V. Patil had also reached the court earlier, and Aryan Khan's counsel and defence, Amit Desai and Satish Manishinde, both top lawyers, are also present in the court. NCB is yet to file the reply to Aryan Khan's bail plea, but nobody from the Narcotics Control Bureau is yet present. Now, giving you other background details of this case as well, Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh will appear for the Narcotics Control Bureau today. The Sessions Court will decide on that bail. We are expecting it at 2:45 p.m. Now, superstar's son, Aryan Khan, had approached Sessions Court for a bail plea after Mumbai's Magistrate Court rejected the bail, terming it unmaintainable. Narcotics Control Bureau in court has argued that giving bail to Aryan Khan may lead to the tampering of evidence given his influential status. NCB will now file a reply to Aryan Khan's bail plea in the court shortly. On his part, just to give you added details, he has maintained no drug were found on him. He has been accused wrongfully. Aryan has been accused of procuring and consumption of banned drugs. So that's the big news coming in. Remember, already since the past few days, Aryan Khan has been lodged in the Arthur jail. His legal team, and that led by lawyer Satish Manishinde, they have argued that at this point there is no evidence against Aryan Khan, and therefore he deserves his bail that must be given to him anytime soon. All of this, Amit, remember, in just few days, the court is going to be shut. There is the Dussehra break and then the weekend as well. So if today the bail plea comes for hearing and he does get bail, it could be relief for Aryan Khan. Otherwise, if the Narcotics Control Bureau files a reply to the bail application and manages to get the custody extended, that could meet further trouble. What you're looking on your screen are Shah Rukh Khan's manager and bodyguard who have arrived at the court premises, Pooja Dadlani and Ravi Singh. And now I'm joined by my colleague Saurabh Vakhtania. He's at the Sessions Court. Saurabh, what is the current status and what is the reference of a manager and bodyguard arriving at the court premises for a bail plea hearing? Not that they have any role to play legally in this case.
So, well, they are saying that they want to represent Aryan Khan as a family member, as a guardian, and therefore they have given a written application that they should be allowed to stay in the stay inside the court and hear the whole hearing. So the court has also agreed to the same. The application has been accepted. Most importantly over here is right now about the bail hearing. See, actually, let me tell you, it's almost 12:30. NCB still has to file a reply in this case. They had to file the reply by 11 a.m. Now the time is actually running out because there is not just one bail hearing, but there are several bail applications which are already in the court, which has to be heard one by one. The court has given the time to hear the bail hearing by 2:45 p.m. but it looks like everyone has to argue, then the NCB will have argued, then the court has to dictate the order. So it's a tough time. It's actually a race against time because all this has to be completed by 5:30 because if at all this particular court grants bail, then the order copy has to reach the Arthur Road jail, the Tapal counter, by 5:30 in the evening. If that does not happen, then it could be given for the next day. But let me tell you, if the bail application is rejected, then it is more worry because it's a 4-day holiday, it's a long weekend, then it will directly go to Monday. Then again the same process which goes on in the High Court as well. They have to apply for the bail, then there will be NCB reply. So it's a very tough situation, a technical situation right now, and a race against time for Aryan Khan to come out of the jail.
Keep tracking all the latest on this. Saurabh Vakhtania will be providing us all the details and updates at 2:45 p.m. if eventually the bail plea hearing begins.